In this video, we are diving into the world of Zapier, the ultimate tool for boosting your business productivity. So, what is Zapier? Zapier is a web-based automation powerhouse that enables seamless connections between various apps and services. It's like having a virtual assistant that handles tasks you would otherwise do manually, allowing you to work smarter, not harder. Now, let's explore the incredible benefits of using Zapier for enhancing your business productivity. 1. Increased efficiency. Zapier's magic lies in its ability to automate tasks and streamline processes, which ultimately frees up valuable time for your team to focus on more critical work. 2. Improved accuracy. By automating repetitive tasks, Zapier helps reduce errors that can occur during manual processes, ensuring your data and operations are always spot on. 3. Reduced costs. Say goodbye to hiring additional staff for mundane tasks. Zapier eliminates the need for manual labor, effectively reducing operational costs. 4. Increased scalability. As your business grows, Zapier grows with you. It's the perfect tool for scaling your operations by automating tasks, no matter how big you get. How businesses can use Zapier to improve marketing, sales, customer service, productivity, and operations. Let's take a look at some practical examples of how businesses across various sectors can harness the power of Zapier. Marketing. Automate your social media posting, email marketing, and lead generation efforts effortlessly with Zapier. Sales. Manage CRM updates, follow-up emails, and proposal generation seamlessly using Zapier's automation capabilities. Customer service. Keep customers happy by automating tasks like handling support tickets, delivering product updates, and conducting feedback surveys. Productivity. Boost overall productivity with Zapier by automating tasks like data entry, invoicing, and scheduling, so you can focus on what matters most. Operations. Streamline your operations by automating order fulfillment, staying on top of inventory management, and generating crucial reports using Zapier. Real-world examples: how Zapier has helped businesses get better results. To illustrate the real impact of Zapier, let's delve into two inspiring success stories. HubSpot, a marketing automation platform, utilizes Zapier to connect with over 1,500 apps and services. This integration has saved HubSpot users over 1 million hours annually, enabling them to supercharge their marketing efforts. Shopify, a leading e-commerce platform, relies on Zapier to connect with over 3,000 apps and services. The result? Shopify merchants have reported a staggering average sales increase of 10%, all thanks to Zapier's automation prowess. So, Zapier is the secret weapon you need to automate a multitude of business tasks, enhancing your productivity like never before. Before we wrap up, let's view Zapier's pricing. Zapier offers a range of pricing plans, including a free option with basic features. For more advanced automation capabilities, you can explore their paid plans, which are tailored to suit businesses of all sizes. Check the link in the description for detailed pricing information. If you're eager to unlock the full potential of Zapier for your business, visit the link in the description below. You can also kickstart your journey to automation by signing up for a free Zapier account today. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the incredible world of Zapier. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable insights into boosting your business productivity. Until next time, stay productive.